Hey there, welcome back to your Cash Buddy. Today, we're diving into the mysterious world of credit scores and demystifying how they're actually determined. Your credit score plays a huge role in your financial life, influencing everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment. So let's break it down. Your credit score is a three-digit number that represents your creditworthiness, that typically range from 300 to 850. There are 5 key factors that determine your credit score. Payment history. Your payment history is the most significant factor in determining your credit score. It includes payments for credit cards, loans, mortgages, and other debts. Late payments, defaults, and collections can significantly impact your score negatively. Consistently paying bills on time boosts your score. Credit utilization. This factor measures the ratio of your credit card balances to your credit limits. Keeping this ratio low, ideally below 30%, showcases responsible credit management. High utilization can signal financial strain, potentially lowering your score. Aim to pay off balances in full or keep them as low as possible. Length of credit history. This factor looks at the age of your accounts, both the oldest and the average age of all your accounts. A longer credit history indicates more experience managing credit. Opening new accounts may temporarily lower this average, impacting your score. Keeping older accounts open, if in good standing, can positively impact your score over time. Types of credit in use. Lenders like to see a mix of credit types, such as credit cards, mortgages, auto loans, and student loans. Having a diverse portfolio demonstrates your ability to manage various types of credit responsibly. However, this factor has a smaller impact compared to others. New credit. Opening multiple new credit accounts in a short period can raise concerns about financial strain, potentially lowering your score. This factor considers new credit inquiries and recently opened accounts. Apply for new credit sensibly, as multiple inquiries within a short time can have a negative impact. Understanding the nuances of these factors and their respective weights can help you strategize to improve or maintain a good credit score. Tips for improving your credit score. Pay bills on time. Keep credit card balances low. Maintain a mix of credit accounts. Avoid opening too many new accounts. Tools for monitoring and managing your credit score. Credit monitoring services. Many companies offer credit monitoring services that track changes in your credit report. They provide alerts for new accounts opened in your name, changes in credit inquiries, or any suspicious activity. Some services even offer credit score simulators to show how certain actions could impact your score. Regularly check your credit report. Federal law allows you to access one free credit report annually from each of the major credit bureaus, Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, through annualcreditreport.com. Review your reports for inaccuracies, incorrect account details, or any signs of identity theft. Dispute any errors promptly to ensure an accurate report. Credit score tracking. Numerous financial institutions and credit card companies provide customers with free access to their credit scores. This access allows you to monitor your score's fluctuations over time. Tracking changes helps identify trends and adjust behaviors accordingly. Set up credit alerts. Some credit monitoring services and financial institutions offer the option to set up alerts for specific changes in your credit report. You can receive notifications for late payments, significant score changes, new account openings, or other critical activities affecting your credit. Fraud alert and credit freezes. In case of suspected identity theft or to prevent unauthorized access to your credit report, consider placing a fraud alert or a credit freeze. A fraud alert warns creditors to verify your identity before extending credit, while a credit freeze restricts access to your credit report, preventing unauthorized inquiries. Maintain good financial habits. Ultimately, the best way to manage your credit score is by practicing good financial habits consistently. Pay bills on time, keep credit card balances low, avoid unnecessary credit inquiries, and regularly review your financial accounts for any irregularities. Utilizing these tools and adopting proactive strategies can help you stay informed about your credit health and take necessary actions to protect and improve your credit score. Understanding how your credit score is determined gives you the power to take control of your financial future. Remember, it's a journey, and small steps towards improvement can make a significant difference. That's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance tips. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and we'll catch you in the next one.